Hi, this is Aditya VL. This is my fourth SCR activity, rainwater harvesting. There are three stages. I have visited my friend's house where it is present. This is the gutter and this is the filter, and the next one is the motor pump. So let's go into the deeper. The rainwater falls on the roof, is transferred to this gutter which is under the roof, and this water is transferred into the pipeline from the gutter to the down, and the down transferred water comes through this pipeline and gets filtered here, and the filtered water goes through the pipeline to the nearest tank of the rainwater,